Hello guys, welcome to the Mikello's kitchen. Today we are going to make this amazing mini burger buns. At the first, we need 460 gram of flour, bread flour, bread flour. We'll put in the mixer and we will mix it in the first speed. After we will add 9 gram of dry oats. We will add in the flour. We will mix it in the second speed. We have here 110 gram of milk and 110 gram of water. It should be cooled water and cooled milk. We'll mix it slowly in the second speed with the second speed. Here we have one whole egg and one egg yolk. We will add it in the mixer again. In the flour we have 20 gram of sugar, 7 gram of salt. Don't forget sugar and salt. Here we have 36 gram of vegetable oil. We will add in the mixer and we will mix it until we get everything mixed. Here we have one bowl. We will add a little oil. We'll put oil in the all of the bowl. This is our dough. I will take the um, gluten test. We'll check the gluten test. Slowly we'll open it. This is the amazing gluten test. We will mix it 2-3 minutes and finish. We'll put some flour in the table and we will massage the dough. Now we should give massage to the dough slowly. We will make round like a ball. We'll put in the bowl and we will put some cellophane in the bowl and we will put 1 hour in the room temperature. Put some flour on the table and we will open the dough after 1 hour. This is the dough. We'll give it massage slowly. Now we will make 4 slices, 4 or 5 slices. Now we put some silicone or something on the dough because it's not coming dry, and we need here some scales because it's too important for the size of buns. We will take 15 gram. We'll make it 15 gram every bowl. 15, 16, it's okay. Okay, now for the rolling and for the making, for the I forget that one. For the rolling and make it circles and ball. We will slowly bring from the down to up. Now we will make it circle, same like this. Again, see my hand and make it just like that, from the down to up or up to down, because the up of the buns it should to be straight, I think. See my hand and do like this. We will bake the buns 190 centigrades for 6 to 7 minutes when it's coming golden layers. Upside it's coming golden. And for the egg wash, I will tell you. Just see my hand and we will reach the egg wash also. Slowly, we will make it circle. And for egg wash, we have one whole egg, one egg yolk, and 15 gram of crema, of whipping cream. We'll put egg wash, we will put in the oven 190 centigrades for 7 minutes. This is the buns. See how it's fluffy and amazing, and it's so amazing. Don't forget like and subscribe.